Good morning. My name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills. And the topic for today's discussion is developing personal power in organization. Ladies and gentlemen, you should always try to develop your personal power wherever you are working, your personal power inside your organization. Now, what is the exact meaning of developing personal power? Ladies and gentlemen, wherever you work, you will find many people who always try to defame you, who always try to prove in front of management that you are a wrong employee. There are many people within the organization who pretend to be your friends, who pretend to be your well-wishers, but secretly they remain in close contact with management, and every time they are defaming you in front of management, in front of owners of the organization. They try every possible thing to convince the management that you are a wrong employee. They do every possible thing to convince the management that you are doing something wrong for the organization. You are defaming the credibility of the organization. You are bringing all the losses to the organization. Ladies and gentlemen, there are many such people within the organization. Wherever you work, doesn't matter to which department you belong. You may be engineer, you may be a professor, you may be a doctor, you may be anything. Within your organization, you will always find such kind of people who, in order to project themselves in a positive manner in front of management, they try to defame you. The only criteria of gaining popularity in the eyes of management is to defame some other employee. This is what they do all the time. This is the only criteria of gaining recognition for them. They want to be good in the eyes of management. What they do, instead of doing something genuine themselves, they try to defame other employees of the organization. This is how they are running their business. This is how they are living their lives in different organizations. Ladies and gentlemen, in such a situation, sometimes it becomes very hard for genuine employees of the organization to prove that they are not wrong. In such an atmosphere, it becomes really difficult for genuine employees of the organization to prove clearly to the management that they are not wrong. They are not doing anything wrong for the organization. Whatever they are doing, it is in the direction of growth and upliftment of the organization only. But these ill-minded people, they are so clever in misguiding management that management starts disbelieving in their genuine employees. Management starts disbelieving in their genuine employees, ladies and gentlemen. They are such cruel people. And the biggest truth of professional life is you cannot do anything about it. Why you cannot do anything about it? Because these people are always in disguise. You don't even know who these people are and how they are secretly framing policies against you. How secretly they are working in the direction of removing you from your organization. You don't even know who these people are. You don't even know that how they are transmitting wrong information to the management about you. They have no face. Now in that case, when the culprit is not known to you, how will you deal with this situation? How will you prove it to higher authorities and management that you are not a wrong person? How will you prove it to your higher authorities that you are a genuine employee of an organization? Ladies and gentlemen, the only criteria of being a genuine employee is being perfect in whatever you are doing. Try to prove it to everyone that whatever you are doing, you are perfect in that task. Try to prove it to your management, to your organization, to every employee of your company that whatever you are doing, you are the best personality in that particular profession. You are best. Whatever you are doing, you do it best every time. Try to prove this thing, and you will have to intentionally prove it, ladies and gentlemen, in such kind of atmosphere where there are large number of politicians around you. Now, there are two things in life. One thing is very genuine. We have been listening to this thing since childhood. What is this thing? If you are doing genuinely inside your organization, definitely you will get recognition. If you are doing something genuinely inside your organization, you are following all the rules and regulations of the organization, you will definitely get noticed by the people. People will definitely respect you. But today, the time has changed. Today, people only believe in those employees who remain close to the management, who every time defame other employees of the organization. In such a scenario, ladies and gentlemen, you need to highlight yourself every single second of the day. You need to highlight yourself every single second of the day in front of all the employees of your organization. You will have to prove your existence to them. You will have to prove that you exist, you have a credibility of your own, and that credibility you have gained by your knowledge, by your qualification, by your experience. That is the base of your credibility, and you will have to prove it to every employee of your organization. All those useless people who are framing policies against you, all those useless people who are convincing management that you are a wrong employee. You have to prove this thing to every employee of your organization. And there are a few criteria of it, ladies and gentlemen. Try to make yourself professionally perfect all the time. Whatever is your profession, be perfect in that and try to gain more perfection in it. Remain in close contact with latest books and magazines related to your profile on daily basis. Remain in close contact with what is latest happening in your field of profession by the mode of internet and multimedia. Try to read all the latest books, journals, magazines, technical booklets related to your profession, and always keep yourself updated. People should know that you exist. You have a separate identity of yourself. People must have this thing in their mind, that you are an employee of the organization, that is fine, but you are also having your own separate individual identity. And only because of that individual identity, you are holding a good position in the organization wherever you are working. It is all because of your credibility. It is all because of your own knowledge. It is all because of experiences that you have gained in life that you are holding a particular position inside the organization, and that is an honorable position. Nobody has right to take away that respect, that honor from you. And this is only possible if you upgrade yourself every single second of the day. Try to prove your professional credibility to the higher authorities, ladies and gentlemen. Try to prove your professional credibility. Try to prove it to your management that you are the honest employee of the organization. Doesn't matter who is framing policies against you. Doesn't matter who is convincing management that you are a wrong employee. Try to take this initiative of proving yourself that you are an honest employee of the organization. You are a genuine employee of an organization. Try to work with full dedication on all the responsibilities that have been assigned to you by the organization. Unless you fulfill a particular responsibility, don't leave that task. Try to be 100% honest and genuine related to the task that you are doing inside the organization. Prove it to the management and higher authorities that you are a genuine employee. You are dedicatedly working in the direction of the aspirations of the organization. You have to prove it yourself. And that is only possible if you keep your knowledge updated and you keep working consistently for the betterment of your organization. Ladies and gentlemen, you cannot identify politicians inside your organization. That is absolutely impossible. Absolutely impossible. They are always in disguise, as I have already stated this. They are always in disguise. You cannot identify that who is the person who is giving wrong information to the management about you. It can never be identified, ladies and gentlemen. Don't waste your time in looking for that person who is giving wrong information to the management about you. Instead of that, prove it to your management that you are an honest employee of the organization. that you are having no ill will for the organization, that you are always dedicated towards the aims and aspirations of the organization, and you will always do everything possible to uplift the reputation of the organization. You are an honest employee, you are a genuine employee, and that can only be proved by making use of professional knowledge every single second of the day. Make use of professional knowledge to teach these politicians inside the organization that you have an independent existence. You are a dynamic personality and no politics can ever harm you. You are so professionally competent. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel ER Piyush Pandey Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.